This will be the last part of the which we will be covering contact us page, which is the contact us form, as well as the Google Map. Let's go to contact us. And for information, the contact us, the contact form, it can be anywhere. Sometimes when you are trying to create a campaign, you launch a promotion, and in any pages you can put in the contact us form. Okay, I'm going to show you the basic one first, which I will start with edit the visual. And okay, I will start with the form. Same thing, I would like to make changes. I will need to find the setting button, which is this. Alright, so there we go. Leave the title blank, it's okay. The success message, I will show you later. Send button is this. Put send, submit. What about design? Is this, to change the color. The icon is over the design. This is the button. This is the button text color, which is white color, blue, purple. The border width is not important. Do you see that? The border radius, which is this, you can call it a rounded corner radius. Make the changes according to your need. The spacing, the letter spacing is this submit. This is a spacing, not too big, doesn't look good. The font, choose the font that you like. And the icon, this is the next icon. I can choose to, let's say if I would like to try this. So the icon change accordingly. Show button icon. Don't show. There's no button. There's no icon. Show. Looks a bit better, right? It looks a bit better. And then the icon can be in a different color. For example, right now it's white. Make it yellow. So this is the icon color. Placement usually is on the right. So as you can see, we only show you the important things, not everything, but the important thing. So this is on the button, and the most important is the information. The user information, as in the customer or the prospect name, his name, the email address. Okay, try not to make any changes because you are new. Try not to make any changes first. You leave it there. And this is the title, as you can see, email address over here. This is the field ID, which I will show you later, email. And then this is required field, which means if they didn't fill out the email, the contact form doesn't work. They cannot submit the contact us form. So this is the important part. Usually when you have your O2O or landing page account given by us, and then we have preset for you, what you need to do is change your email address so that whenever someone submit the form, you will receive it, not us. And you can put your name. For example, you are the one who edit the form, but your colleague is the one who checked the email. So you can put either admin, hi admin, or the name, hi Michelle, for example, whatever it is. My info as follow, which means the customer's info. So this is the field ID. So that's why you do not change the field ID, because we have preset for you. Even the phone number is TEL, T-E-L. And when they fill out the name, when you receive the email, you know who are they, what is the name. Enquiry form, we try to do it in that case because we want to show you how or where the customer is coming from which page, because you can put in any page. This is from the contact us page, so that you know exactly where are they coming from? In this case, enter, he is coming from the contact us page, the form over here. So once this is done, okay, click, save it. So exit the page so that I can show you what does it mean by the success message. Everything is okay, everything look the same. So assuming I'm now going to fill up the form. So when a customer fill out a form, they click submit, what will happen? It will show the success message. This is the success message. Thank you. One of our rep will be in touch with you soon. So as simple as that, you know, it will disappear very soon, but I will show you how do you edit this contact us or success message. The same thing. This is the title. If you want to get in touch, change the title. I will show you the success message. Thank you. One of our rep will be in touch with you soon. Just make the changes over here. Blah, blah, blah. You know? So this part is done. It's about the contact us form. So I'm going to show you something interesting. Let's say I like this form. I want to make it. I want to copy it, and I want to put it in a services page. So what you do is, this is the whole green color, yeah. Take note, not the this small one, including the get in touch. I want the whole green color. I click download, which is save to your website library. This is, we call it contact us form 1 example, 1. I save it. That's it. I will come back to you later on, and we cover the first part, as in how to update or edit on the contact us form. Now I'm going to continue with, okay, fine, let me finish it. I will save it. I will come back on the Google Map. Next, let me finish up with the contact us form. I want to duplicate it in other page. So I go to services. I open in a new tab so that this page is there. I can continue it later on. So everything is good, our services, blah blah blah. And I'm going to show you how you can replicate or duplicate or copy the contact us form easily into any other pages, any other places that you wanted. And that's how powerful it is. What we do best, this is what we do, our services, our experience, blah blah. And when it's done, and remember, if you do not like something, you just remove it. If you don't like this, remove it. And you can add in. Remember, just now you are adding in a green color section, not blue color, not the whole section, but a small or middle part of it, which is the green color, is important. For example, you add from library, you can find contact us form. Let me show you. If you are trying to add from a section, check from the library, there's nothing. Why? Because it's not that big, it's not a section, but it's a smaller green color section, which is this one. Add from the library, contact us form. There you go. Immediately you replicate the form just like that, you know, just like that. If this is the case, then you can remove, I mean, just an example. So what you do is, everything is okay, everything is the same, thank you message is the same, but you are going to make changes from contact us page to services so that you know exactly, and you can study the user behavior. Where are they coming from? In this case, more people submit inquiry form from services page, for example. Then you can study them, which page perform better. Save, save. There you go. In the summary, I show you how to update a contact us form, how to replicate a contact us form into other pages by just download and save it into your library. Save it in your website library. Done. This page is done because I apply a new contact us form. I will continue with the last part, which is the Google Map. Whenever you get whether you add a new page and come to contact us form like this, and you can see the page couldn't load the map properly or whichever it is, what you do is very simple. Don't edit it because it is a bit advanced than you know or you can expect. So what you do is you can simply remove it, the whole sections, and then add full width. I think it's full width. Okay, it's not full width. Yep, it's a full width. And then choose the code. I repeat again. Choose full width code. And then we are just going to Google Map. Check your company website. Check your company map, the link, and then we are going to apply it over here. So type Google Maps, type it here or here, whichever you like, whichever you prefer, and then search. So this is the Google Map website that we wanted. So again, what you're going to do is you are going to find out your company, right? Your company. For example, your company is a just examples. Grab Sendirian Berhad. I don't know. I mean, I just simply type Grab car, whichever it is. So yeah, fine. This is the one. I click this, and then what I want is the click share, embed a map. I wanted this. Copy it and then go back to your website. Right click, paste. You see? There you have your Google Map ready in your website within 10 seconds. So again, just grab the code from Google Map, check your company name, share, embed, copy the code into your website. And before we end, you can see that the map is half of the whole banner or section, right? Because of the size. So what you need to do is a slight amendment. Go to setting. Nothing complicated because you just follow what I do. The height 450 is this. You just need to change the width, as in the width of it, the width of the map. So let's say you put 1900 and save it. So there you go. I'm going to save it and I will show you how or what the customer will see about your Google Map. And when they go to your website from the phone or from the website, they simply click direction and it will bring to your company just like that. Okay, let me refresh. This is the contact us page. We have done it. And then this is the Google Map. Yeah, you can zoom it, but right now it's pointing to your company, the address. This is the Google review, which is by default it will be there. So very simple. In this topic, we covered about the contact us form. You can replicate the form. How do you update a Google Map correctly, easily? And thank you for attending the web page and landing page design tutorials. I hope that it gives you a better idea how you can save costs and manage your website easily and productively. And again, O2O funnels is a multiple function in one. I don't call it 3-in-1, but multi-functions. You can build a landing page, a website, e-commerce, a campaign, promotional, in a single platform, which is very powerful, yet at a cost-effective mode. Thank you again for your trust, and I will see you next round.